So this is going to be a complete and honest review of the Affiliate Whisperer. I'm going to be discussing about the different OTOs and upgrades, and also I'm going to be discussing about the vendor who made the product. So as you can see, his name is Tom E. He is the owner of the Affiliate Whisperer, and I'm also going to be talking about his other products which he made in the past and its performance. So stick around till the end of this video as I'm going to show you if the Affiliate Whisperer is worth your time. And I'm also going to be discussing a strategy in case if you didn't like this particular product. So in the sales page, you can mainly see that there are basically 5 newbies, and all of these people are pretty old if you actually look at it. And even you can see a lady over here that have made money within like 1.5 hours. So the thing you really need to keep in mind is that making money online is not that easy as it sounds. It's not very easy to make, $50 within 5 hours of working, and especially in the online money making space. So do you think these old people have really made all of this money? So I personally think they might have made the money, but it's not necessary that all of the person that go through this particular course is going to make money. And the thing I want to mention is that this is Tom E and this is Max, and these two people combined to launch this course today. So Tom E basically interviewed Max, and Max showed his earnings and everything over this dashboard over here. If you see, you can see this person made over $180,000. So Max have made that much. So they both combined to make this particular course. So the thing is that all of this earnings that you see here, you see that he's making $181,000. Don't expect to make like that by just spending time on this course or anything like that. The reason why is that, let me just go to the vendor. So this is the vendor. He is quite reputable. Tom is well known in the Warrior Plus community, but if you look at his other products over here, he has got almost 43,000 sales, and if you look at his reviews, it's only 3-star review, which is not great. So trusting a vendor that has got 3-star review on Warrior Plus is a big red flag, because in order to identify a vendor that has got like a good product or not, he has to have at least 4-star or 4-star above. But some of you people might think 3-star is a good review, but in Warrior Plus it's actually not, because in Warrior Plus there are a lot of trash products, and getting a 3-star review is actually really low. So don't trust this vendor, and he has got almost 627 people reviewing him, and that's the only rating he has got. And one more thing I want to mention is that all of his product, he just deleted it. So he has got 45,300 sales, and all the products that he made in the past have been deleted. Maybe one of the reason why he deleted is because of how low his ratings is. So if you look at his latest product has got a rating of 2.25 star review. So that could be a reason why he deleted all of his product. So it's up to you to decide whether or not to buy this particular course, because if you look at it, it's 2.2, and I would personally stay away from this particular vendor. And also guys, if you talk about the different OTOs and upgrade, the front end is only $17. And when you get into this $17 front end, you might think that you're going to be getting a lot of value from it. But in reality, the front end is just an entry to get into the first OTO. So this is like a sales funnel in which Max and also his name is Tom. Yeah. And Max and Tom is going to be making a lot of money through the sales funnel. So once you buy the front end, you might think that there aren't a lot of features and there aren't a lot of value. Then you will slowly upgrade it to the first OTO. And after you get into the first OTO, you will again think that there isn't much value in this course, and then you will again upgrade to the OTO 2. And then again you will go to the OTO 4 and 3 and OTO 4. So this is the way the vendor makes money through the sales funnel, and you are going to be getting nothing from this, I would say, because the money you see here and all of this is by him selling all of these products and all of these affiliate courses, and he's basically affiliated. So the reason why he's making so much money is through the affiliate sales he's getting, and also he's one of the top vendors in Warrior Plus. He's like selling a lot of courses like this. So don't expect the strategy to make money, because that's not how he is making money. So I suggest you guys stay away from this affiliate whisperer. And that's basically it for this video. And if you're looking for a better vendor out there in Warrior Plus, I would like to suggest you Kevin Fahey. He's one of the top 5% vendors, and also he's one of the top 1% affiliate. And I would like to suggest you one strategy. It's called the affiliate takeover, and this is particularly a course that has basically helped me to make money over the internet. So this is like one of the better products out there in Warrior Plus. So if you want to go check it out, you can go check it out. And also guys, to make things a surety, it's almost like 4.67 reviews. So there is no way you're not going to be getting value from this course, and his average ratings and everything is very high. So this is the kind of vendor you have to look for, and Tom E is someone I wouldn't really suggest.